And here comes the harder part of any resume development workshop period, because what's happening over here that you are asked for that evidences as well. So in this assignment you need to submit two different files or one file and one prominent comment. So first will be your evidence, like your skill certificates. Let's jump into the assignment. So now here is the certificate for your skills. So you need to submit or upload that certificate or enrollment to the certification course, and then you need to also upload a Word document with the format details which we are mentioning over here, or in case you don't have that access to your creating any Word file and you are using your mobile, you can directly comment that format in the assignment. So that will be also good for me right now, but later on you can just grab that text and paste it in your actual resume development software. So what's the key here? So first and foremost key is like the certificate should be fresh, like right now it is 2024, so it should be like from 2022 or 2023 or 2024, so should not be much older than these 2 or 3 years. The second thing is the skill you are emphasizing in the technical and non-technical skills, that should reflect over here. The certification is for skills. Don't get confused that you are giving those certification here, mentioning something else there. That is not allowed. You should link those things during the certification. Aim high, use better courses, use high profile courses, that really makes a good impact. Most of the institutes are allowing their students to have those free of cost certifications, 1 day seminar and all these things. Don't put it here because that is not actually your skill. So make sure that you are giving that prominent certificate over here. Submitting the prominent one should align to your actual career, which we have decided in fifth assignment. So it should be linking well. So that is the key. Make sure that you are having a good resolution scans or PDF files with you, also the printed one during the interview session. So this will be like now you are uploading that assignments in the Google Drive, and then you can fetch it afterwards as well. So that is the key, and keep it consistent. Your name should match with the certificates all over the things. Any certificate, any spelling mistakes may lead to the different discussion, and that is not good. So make sure that you are not getting into that trouble. You have first and foremost, now once again let me revise, you have to submit two different things. First is the document or the evidence for your certification. Second one is the actual information you are going to put into your resume about that certification. So please don't confuse, submit two different things. In case you are not able to give any Word document for that text, you can use this sample format. We also have an example, like I have done my organizational behavior certification from IIT Bangalore. So I have just put that as an example over here, and make sure that you are using same format. Quite be little bit different, you can use different layouts or something like that, but this is the minimal information you should give about your certification. So you can just put it in the comments if you don't if you are not comfortable with the Word document profiling or something like that. So you can directly comment as an answer. That's it for this assignment, and hopefully you will attempt it well. We need 3 different certification skills, and don't worry, it will definitely give you a bigger hand and better package in case you have the prominent certifications. So all the best.